everyone, my name is Jamila and here's English with JeJe. Welcome to my class. How are you today? Is everything alright? Oh, it's a nice day. Oh, class, do you think it's gonna rain tonight? We don't know. Maybe. I miss the cold weather. I wish it could rain. Now, tell me, what do you want to do after the class? Do you want to go to a cafe? Oh, good for you. I wish I could come with you, but I have a class. What are you gonna order? Are you going to order a latte? Oh, I wish I had a latte right now. Alright, class. As you got, today we're going to talk about some short forms. Like wanna, gonna, gotta. What else? Can you give me some examples? Don't know. Excellent. I don't know. Good job. Now, can you give me examples using the form wanna? For example, oh, I want to call my mom. I really miss her. What else can you say? We want to hang out. Good job. Excellent. What other short forms can you use? Like, for example, gotta. Excellent, gotta. Can you give me an example using gotta? Yeah, gotta go. Very good. It's so late. What do you say? I want to call my mom. It means that I want to call my mom. How about the full form of gotta? Get, got to. Good job. Got to. For example, I gotta go means I've got to go or I have to go, right? I gotta go. Excellent. Good job. Now, class, I want you to listen to this conversation and try to figure out the short forms. Write them down. After that, we'll check together.
Number 1. What you doing tonight? Number 2. I'm going to meet a friend.
Alright, tell me, what could you find? Very good. Whatcha? What you doing tonight? Excellent. What else? Yeah. Gimme. Very good. Give me some food. I'm so hungry. Good job. Yeah. What else? Lemme. Excellent. Let me check my schedule. I'll get back to you soon. Good job.
Alright, class. Look here at the board. I'm going to explain what gonna, wanna, and gotta are. First of all, we've got gonna. That is going to. It's pronounced gonna. For example, as you can see here, we have I am going to that changes to I'm gonna. Like, I'm gonna be late. As you can see, for he, she, it, and names, we say he's going to. So the short form is gonna be is gonna. For he, we have he's gonna stop by. For she, she's gonna try to be here. It's gonna rain today. And Mary is gonna do well, I'm sure. So it means that Mary is going to do well. What was the short form again? Gonna. Good job. Now, how about you, we, they, and for plural nouns? As you know, we use are going to. So, what is the short form? You're going to changes to you're gonna. Don't forget, we don't use to after gonna. So the short form would be you're gonna be sorry. It means that you are going to be sorry, I'm sure. As you can see here, for we have we're gonna have fun. How about they? They're gonna drive. Good job. And also for the plural nouns, we use are going to. So the short form would be the dogs are gonna love it. Don't forget, are in short form would be the dogs are gonna love it. Let's move on. Wanna. So Wanna is the short form of want to. Don't forget, we've got want to and wants to. We'll see what the difference is. Here, for I, you, we, they, and the plural nouns, we simply use wanna. Listen to the pronunciation. Wanna. Wanna. The last E is very short. Wanna. So what do we say instead of I want to see you? I wanna see you. I wanna see you. Great job. Do you wanna head out? Do you wanna head out? Do you wanna head out? We wanna move to Philadelphia. We wanna move to Philadelphia. They wanna come with us. They wanna come with us. The dogs wanna go outside. Warning. Here we should use wants to. What is the short form for wants to? It is wantsa. Good job. For example, for he, when we say he wants to, like call me, the short form would be he wants to. He wants to call me. He wants to call me. So the short form is somehow like the full form. Wants to would be wants to. The second two is very short. How about she? We've got she wants to see you. She wants to see you. Oh, it wants to be loved. It wants to be loved. Mary wants to leave on time. Let's move to next one. Gotta. What was the full form of gotta? Got to or have got to. As you can see here, for I, you, we, they, and the plural nouns, we just say gotta. It means have got to or have to. Like when we want to say I have to go in a short form, we can say I gotta go. So instead of I have to go or I have got to go, you can simply say I gotta go. As you can see, for you, we say, oh, you've gotta see this. Class, you can say you've gotta or simply you gotta. Look at this. We've gotta do this more often. Oh, they gotta work late. They have too many things to do. The dogs have gotta be quiet. The dogs have gotta be quiet. And for he, she, it, and names, as you know, we say has got to or has to. So the short form would be he's gotta. He's gotta know that. Oh, she's gotta stop doing that. It means she has to stop doing that or she has got to stop doing that. Oh, it's gotta be tough. I know. And Mary's gotta leave. I know she has to. Thank you for practicing with me. Let's move on to the class.
Thank you very much, class. Now I want you to click on the link I shared with you and go to the 6-question quiz. Next session, we'll check the answers. Alright? For the fun part, I want you to listen to this tongue twister and try to say it as fast as you can. Ready? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Let's listen and practice.
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
And also for the assignment, I want you to make a PowerPoint and write a story of your own using the short forms we had this session. Thank you very much for learning English with JeJe. Have a nice time.